was the worst weather that I ever experienced in my life.
Yeah.
It was, for sure.
It was okay. It wasn't too bad.
It was the worst. You tell the truth.
Yeah, it was bad.
Yeah, it was. Really,
It was
really bad.
probably in my top 3, but I don't know about my worst ever.
Really, really bad. We couldn't see. I took many videos. We saw a lot of accidents, but praise God, we passed that safe, and
We stopped at Caribou.
we stopped at Caribou, and after that, things got way better, and we got a lot of sun for the past hour and a half. Beautiful, beautiful.
See, a little coffee opens up the clouds.
Yeah, coffee. All we needed was coffee. And now we are in Chicago.
No, we are about like 30 minutes outside of Chicago.
Oh, we already passed.
We just entered Illinois, so we are at the point where we are splitting between Chicago and the interstates that take us to Iowa and Wisconsin.
Okay. And it says our ETA is 3 hours and a half.